what we have is Aoocci C6. We have the version Pro. It's a lot of things, so I will do the unboxing a little bit. When we open the box, inside we have a device. You can see the device. This is the size of it. This C6PRO is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto device that also has dash cams in it. We have two dash cams. We have front and rear cameras, and then we have all of the things so we can assemble everything and connect to the bike. We have also some zip ties. We have power supply. We can go directly to the battery, which we will probably not do because we have different system on my bike. Cables for the cameras, and then we also have a remote. It's just probably the shield that goes on top. So that was the unboxing. I will install the device now. So the plan is to mount it here next to the original BMW GPS. I want to keep this. I will explain maybe later why. So I will put everything on the bike, including the cameras, and then we can do the test ride and to see how it works. I want to keep the functions of the visible, so it works always, and both old Aoocci and CarPlay are supporting that via this bracket and this carrier. So when I mount now the new Aoocci on it, I will have dash cams and CarPlay and everything, but I will not be using this nor this. It will have its own power and everything will be done that way. I don't want to have that permanently with me that way, and I think I will do something with this Aoocci with dash cams and keep my CarPlay until I get a system where I can have this mount with the dash cams and everything. We will see if that will happen and how it's gonna go. I will now start connecting everything and placing things where they should go. I will try to film as much as possible, but we will see how all of that goes. We have 4 rubber things. We have 4 screws and one this tool, Allen key or imbus, whatever. And that goes here on the back of the device and goes on this. So this will come here like this, but it will be with the rubbers and screws in between. So I will screw this on. I also did off the camera, I put the micro SD card which comes inside. We have 2 little bolts that we unscrew. We take this metal plate off and you have rubber sealed micro SD cards or TF card and USB-C plug. I didn't film it because it's like super straightforward. Everybody can do it, and all the tools required come with the device. Same as the sunshade, we have 3 screws. Also comes with the screwdriver in the small pack that you can put in. Super easy peasy to do. Okay. Actually, this goes in inside. Necessary tool is provided. One rubber is in, and I'll put the others. It goes super simple. You just push it through, and that's how it stays. It's quite easy to do. mounting bracket to any handlebar or navi bar, you get all of the plastic parts depending on the thickness of the bar itself, and this goes on top of here, so that's how it's connected to the handlebars and to the device. Of course, everything is secured with the same type of screws, so this is the safety option for it. So the thing will fit here. It will fit here, but I think I will have to remove the windscreen for this to work. So bear with me. Screen is easily removed. We only have 4 screws which are holding it. 2 on the upper side and 2 on the lower side. They are different in size, so you cannot confuse it. And we take the screen in a way that we pull it down and then towards ourselves. Now I'm mounting the bracket for the device itself. I had to put some isolation tape because my navi bar is not thick enough. And now I will be putting the device just provisory so I can test it and record the clips. Eventually I ended up removing the complete BMW original navi holder, and because it's way better than this way, but you will get the picture. And this is the device mounted. Alright people, so I had to remove the original GPS mount from BMW. I tucked it here and glued it so it doesn't rattle around. I fixed it here, so this is now provisionally connected, kinda. And these are the images, the front camera. You can see it when I do this. And then we have the rear one. We can fix it with the brake. I still have to do the cabling all the way back. This is where the rear camera is connected, and the front camera is here. And now I have to tidy up everything, and then we will see how it goes. Today I'm gonna do a test ride and testing of the Aoocci C6PRO, which is all-purpose device, Apple Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, mirroring system. This also includes the dash cam. As you can see, I already installed the cameras. That's the front one, and here is the rear one. 1-3-5 minutes is the loop recording. When memory card is full, it starts deleting the last one. So the usual how the dash cams work. Cameras are full HD, so 180p. I will provide some example clips. On a remote, I can press this button, which is to view the cameras, and now we can see this is the rear one. As you can see, my hand on the rear, and then we press again, it's gonna go to the split view of front and back camera. They are both tilted because bike is tilted. Yeah, and the bike is standing upright. We can switch front left, front right, right front, and then we can choose just the full screen front or the rear. This is the front. I like having the back one, makes more sense for me. In the settings, we can choose the resolution, loop recording. I put 5 minutes, it's each file. G sensor, I will put it off. Let's see if there is a crash or something. Date watermark is on. I want to have the GPS coordinates on as well. Recording audio on. GPS speed on. GPS switch, sorry, now GPS coordinates are on. Altitude on. Back camera mirror is on. Okay. Good. Good. This is the replay. It always records front and back. What I noticed that the touch and the behavior of the device while doing this is a little bit slow and sluggish. You can of course start and stop recording on your own. When we go to the home, this is actually the home screen of the device. We have driving recorder, which is the screen that we were at right now. We have tire, temperature and the pressure. I did not connect that. We have the replay. Here we can see what we recorded of all of the files and stuff. Again, a bit slow to do. And we have a couple of settings. So display brightness, volume. I'll put it down because it doesn't make any sense when I'm on the bike to listen to the volume. Bluetooth connection is who and what is and how you connect to the device itself. Settings of the device. Wi-Fi and everything is needed if you want to download the video footage from the cameras to your phone, to the app, so you can use it. And the rest is regular settings that you would have on the devices. Interconnect is actually a CarPlay, which is working super nice. No issues here at all. It's pretty much same as the Aoocci 6. What I have in the behavior, it works, it's nice. I will not go into details of that. You can watch my last video of Aoocci 6, where I go a little bit more into details of this. Connection is flawless. You connect via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and then everything works. Very nice. Another thing to say, so the screen is very nicely visible. It works, and I do believe that if you're not looking for something specific for your bike model, such as BMW GS or any other BMW that has a different system of mounting, honestly, I do believe that this is the best buy that you can have. You get an Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, depending which system you are using. You have a dash cam on it. You have tire pressure monitoring system. It's way better to have this screen than to have your phone on the handlebars. I prefer to have my phone in my pocket. Whatever happens, phone is with me. If I tell you that you get all of that for 150 euros, that's definitely a best buy. So I checked the price before I left to record this. As you can see here, usually this device costs 198.80 euros, which is, let's say, 200 euros. And with my discount KN22, you get 43, almost 44 euros of discount, which means the device in the end will cost you 155 euros, which is definitely the best buy. And there are better screens than this, definitely, also more expensive. I didn't test any other screen that has dash cams and that is in this price range as this one, so I cannot say, but as far as I know at the current state, there's nothing cheaper and better than this. coffee to fly. I will have a coffee here and then head back home. All of a sudden it got quite cold. When I went out for riding and filming, it was 15-16 degrees, quite warm and nice. Somehow now it's actually quite cold. Alright people, so some final thoughts about the device. Like I said before, the visibility is excellent. The resolution of the screen is really nice. I can see everything how it should be seen. When you are looking for a device that's suitable for all bikes, not a specific BMW model or BMW. When you are looking like that, then I would definitely say this is the best buy compared to the price and performance that you get from it. Which means that, as we saw, for 150 euros, you get a dash cam on your bike, you get Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you get tire pressure monitoring system, and I think that nothing can beat that price. Nothing. The best part of it is you can easily take it off and put it back on your next motorcycle if you sell your bike. Security feature, as they say, anti-theft mounting is just a specific type of the screws which are on the carrier on it, which is like a star that has a pin in it. You of course get the key provided with it, but to be honest, for thieves that will be super easy to take off. When a thief wants to steal something, they will steal it even if they have to break it. So I don't think that it's something which is so secure. Even the original BMW Navi cradle mount and everything which is lockable with key, I don't think it's so secure as it could be. So by all means, it's not worse, it's not less safe, it's not safer than other devices. Of course, it's not just there so you can take it off. It has some safety in it. I would definitely recommend you to check it out online. I will provide the direct buy link down below in the description. Don't forget to use my discount code for any Aoocci devices that you buy, which is KN22. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments if you want to know something more, if you have any questions or advices. I'm open for any feedback. And please don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. And please, if you already didn't, please subscribe to my channel. If you already did, thank you very much. I appreciate you, each and every one of you. That's it for now. Soon I will be making a video about my health update and in general about life and how it is and things are happening, and I will let you know. So stay tuned, and the new personal video is coming up as a vlog.